Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Stephen Grant, and if you're new here, this is where we explore the real science of men's health. No fads, no empty promises, just proven, practical ways to stay strong, sharp, and confident at every age. Now, if you're a man over 50, you probably already sense that something's changing. You wake up a little slower, your workouts don't feel quite as powerful, maybe your drive, in every sense of the word, doesn't feel like it used to. That's not your imagination. These are the early warning signs of a hormonal slowdown. And for most men, it all traces back to one critical molecule: testosterone. Testosterone isn't just about libido or muscle. It's the hormone that drives your energy, focus, motivation, and confidence. It's what keeps your body burning fat efficiently, your heart pumping strong, and your mind sharp. But here's what many men don't realize. Your testosterone levels are influenced every single day by what you put on your plate. And yes, that includes fruit. We've all been told for decades that fruit equals health. It's colorful, it's natural, it's packed with vitamins. But here's the uncomfortable truth most doctors don't explain. Not all fruit is created equal, especially when it comes to men's hormonal balance. Certain fruits can quietly sabotage your testosterone through blood sugar spikes and inflammation, while others can actually help rebuild it naturally. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly which fruits to avoid and which ones to add to your daily routine if you want to boost your energy, improve your performance, and feel like yourself again. Stay with me to the end, because these small changes can completely transform how your body produces and uses testosterone. No medications, no gimmicks, just smart science and consistency. Let's start with the fruits you should be cautious with, the ones that seem healthy but can actually pull your testosterone down. The first one is the banana. Bananas are the classic healthy snack. Portable, convenient, packed with potassium. But for men over 50, especially those who carry a bit of extra weight or struggle with energy dips, bananas can be a hidden hormonal trap. One large banana contains up to 30 grams of sugar. When you eat that in one go, you trigger a rapid insulin spike. And insulin, when it's elevated too often, drives your body toward insulin resistance, which studies show is one of the main metabolic pathways that suppress testosterone. It doesn't mean you can never eat bananas again. It means you need to be strategic. If you really want one, pick a smaller, slightly green banana with more resistant starch and less sugar, and always combine it with some healthy fat, like a few almonds or a spoonful of nut butter. That slows down digestion, flattens the insulin curve, and protects your hormone balance. The second fruit group that works against your testosterone is dried fruit. Raisins, dates, figs, apricots. The problem is concentration. When you remove the water, the sugar becomes hyperconcentrated. A small handful of dates can have as much sugar as a can of soda. Because dried fruits are soft and easy to overeat, you can consume 40 or 50 grams of sugar before you realize it. That's a fast track to blood sugar instability, inflammation, and hormonal imbalance. If you crave something sweet, choose fresh fruit instead. Your body will handle the natural sugar much better when it's bound to water and fiber. The third category is controversial: soy-based snacks. Soybeans aren't technically fruit, but I'm including them because many men treat things like edamame, soy bars, and soy protein shakes as healthy plant snacks. The problem is the isoflavones they contain, also known as phytoestrogens. These plant compounds mimic the effect of estrogen in the body. While moderate intake might not hurt everyone, long-term high-volume soy consumption in men with already low testosterone can tilt the hormonal balance further in the wrong direction. My advice: limit soy, and, if you do eat it, choose fermented versions like tempeh. Fermentation changes the structure of isoflavones, making them less likely to interfere with your hormones. The fourth fruit that you should approach carefully is grapes, especially in juice form. Grapes are easy to overconsume, and even though they contain antioxidants, they're also high in fructose. The real danger is grape juice. Just one glass is a pure sugar bomb, stripped of fiber and nutrients. The result is a rapid insulin surge that disrupts testosterone and promotes fat storage, especially around the belly. Remember, belly fat produces aromatase, an enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. That's the last thing you want happening if you're trying to regain your edge. Now for the good news, there are fruits that do the opposite. They help reduce inflammation, support circulation, and create the perfect environment for your body to make more testosterone naturally. Let's talk about those. The first powerhouse fruit is the pomegranate. Pomegranates have been celebrated for centuries as a symbol of vitality and fertility, and modern science backs that up. Research shows that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can increase testosterone levels and improve blood flow. Pomegranate's antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative stress and lower cortisol, the stress hormone that competes directly with testosterone. When cortisol is high, testosterone drops. When cortisol is under control, testosterone has room to rise. A few ounces of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice a few times a week can make a real difference. The second category of fruits that can help your hormones thrive is citrus. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. They're rich in vitamin C, which helps manage cortisol levels and protects the nitric oxide pathways that support circulation. Strong blood flow means better oxygen delivery, better performance, and better energy. It's not just about your heart, it's about your entire vitality system. Eat the whole fruit instead of just the juice for the added fiber and steady sugar release. Next, one of the most powerful natural testosterone allies, the avocado. Technically a fruit, avocados are loaded with the exact nutrients your body needs to produce testosterone efficiently: healthy monounsaturated fats, magnesium, and B vitamins. Those fats serve as the raw materials for hormone synthesis, while magnesium ensures that more of your testosterone remains free and active in your bloodstream rather than bound up by SHBG. Free testosterone is the kind that builds muscle, drives motivation, and supports a healthy sex drive. Add a quarter to half an avocado to your daily meals, and you'll notice the difference in both energy and mood. And finally, berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These small fruits pack a big hormonal punch. They're rich in antioxidants and flavonoids like quercetin and anthocyanins, which reduce chronic inflammation, one of the silent destroyers of testosterone production. When inflammation goes down, your Leydig cells can work efficiently again, producing testosterone at a healthy rate. Berries also have a low glycemic load, so they won't spike your insulin or derail your progress. A handful of berries every day is a simple, delicious habit with real hormonal benefits. Gentlemen, this isn't about perfection. It's about progress. The foods you eat either work for your hormones or against them. Every meal is an opportunity to build strength, restore vitality, and take back control of your body. Replacing high-sugar fruits with nutrient-dense, testosterone-friendly ones is one of the simplest yet most powerful moves you can make. So tomorrow morning, when you reach for a banana or pour yourself a glass of juice, remember this conversation. Ask yourself, is this helping my hormones or hurting them? Small choices add up over time, and when you stack those choices day after day, the results are undeniable. More energy, stronger performance, sharper focus, and a renewed sense of confidence. I'm Dr. Stephen Grant, and my mission is to help men over 50 take back control of their health naturally. No shortcuts, no nonsense, just science-based strategies that work. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, because each week I'll be sharing more insights like this to help you rebuild your energy, restore your hormones, and feel your best again. Stay strong, stay focused, and remember, real health doesn't come from what you cut out once, but from what you choose consistently every single day.